Search for Edge in the search bar for Windows 10. For older Windows versions, use Internet Explorer. Enter Chrome in the search bar and press Enter. Just ignore Microsoft's promotion. Click Chrome for desktop link in the search results. Click the download button to start downloading Chrome. Read the terms of service if you want. You can click on Accept and Install to start downloading. Click on Run to start the installation. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Wait for the installer to complete downloading. The installer is now installing Chrome. The installation is now complete. You will have a shortcut to Google Chrome on the desktop. A Chrome window will open immediately after installation. You can pin Chrome to the taskbar. Right-click on the icon and select Pin to Taskbar. You can now start using Chrome. Type anything in the search bar to see if you can connect to the internet.